Hi everyone, my name is Leonie O. Magnaye and I will discuss the importance of the bicarbonate buffer system in the human body. What is a buffer system? Group of substances that helps keep the pH of a solution stable. It prevents the solution from becoming too acidic or too alkaline. So, yung buffer system ay para siyang protector or taga-balanse ng ating katawan. Yung trabaho niya is panatilihing normal yung pH ng dugo natin para gumana ng maayos ang ating mga cells at organ. What is the bicarbonate buffer system? Bicarbonate buffer system is the main buffer system in the blood. It uses bicarbonate and the carbonic acid to keep the blood pH normal. So, yung bicarbonate buffer system daw po is pangunahing buffer system ng ating dugo. So, binubuo daw po ito ng bicarbonate and yung carbonic acid. So, magkasama silang nagtatrabaho para hindi maging sobrang acidic o sobrang alkaline ng ating dugo. How does it work? When the blood becomes too acidic, bicarbonate removes excess acid. When the blood becomes too alkaline, carbonic acid releases hydrogen ions to lower the pH. So, kapag masyadong acidic ang dugo, yung bicarbonate ang sumasalo o nagni-neutralize ng sobrang acidic. Kapag masyadong alkaline naman, yung carbonic acid ang tumutulong para bumalik sa normal yung pH. Why is it important? So, the bicarbonate buffer system keeps the blood pH between 7.35 and 7.45, which is the normal range of the body to function properly. So, napakahalaga nito dahil yung normal ng blood pH natin ay 7.35 hanggang 7.45. So, kapag lumampas o bumaba rito, maaaring hindi gumana ng maayos ang ating cells at yung ating organs. So, summary. The first one is, the bicarbonate buffer system keeps blood pH stable. Next, it made of bicarbonate and carbonic acid. Next, the lungs and kidneys help maintain the balance. And next, keeping a normal blood pH is important for a healthy body. So, sa madaling salita po, yung bicarbonate buffer system ay para siyang bodyguard ng ating dugo. Lagi nitong binabalanse yung pH para mapanatiling malusog ang ating katawan. So, kung wala ito, may hirapang gumana ng maayos ang ating mga cells at ang ating mga organs.